These are insane. What's good, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. So Acronym, a German-based streetwear brand, has done plenty of collabs with Nike in the past on some absolutely iconic sneakers, all the way from the Air Force Ones to those grail-worthy Air Presto mids. And in this video, I'll be talking about their latest collab. This time they chose one of the most humble sneakers out there, the Nike Blazer Low. And in this video, I'll be telling you what makes this one of the coolest and craziest collabs we have seen in the last few years. So what is up, guys? Welcome back to all of my long-term viewers. Major shout out goes to each and every one of you. And if you are new here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews, all kinds of other sneaker content. If you are into that and you want some chill vibes to go along with it, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. And also give me a follow on TikTok and Instagram. That's where I post a lot of my how to style content. So yeah, make sure you guys follow me. So in this video, I'll be breaking down these shoes. I tell you about all of the different hidden features of the sneaker and how you can customize them. I get into how these fit, what these are going for on the resale market right now, how to potentially style these. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So there it is, the Nike Blazer Low collab with Acronym. Just look at how insane this sneaker looks. Acronym has been described as the most innovative brand in tech wear, with its extremely futuristic take on clothing, which seems to be inspired a lot by the military as well as martial arts. And they've also brought these very futuristic design elements to some of their sneaker collabs with Nike. We saw this on the first collab, which was the Air Force One Lunar. It had that zipper right across it, and I've said this before, that orange pair, one of my personal grail sneakers that I have yet to add. The Air Prestos and made it into a high top sneaker, added some zippers on the side. We also saw some crazy design patterns on the Acronym Vapor Maxes. But this pair right here might just be the coolest one of them all, because it's so much more than a sneaker. It's also a canvas for the creative minds out there. This heel counter you see on the back is actually removable, and it was designed using a 3D printer, and you yourself can actually download these files, create your own designs, get them printed on a 3D printer and put them on the shoe. That is exactly what happened recently when Soulbox, a Berlin-based sneaker boutique, invited 10 collaborators to create their own designs. And some of them are insane. They got some teeth marks on it, lightning bolts, and anybody can download these 3D files, get them printed and put it on their own shoes. I will leave a link to that in the description. If you guys are good with using 3D software, then the possibilities are literally endless. You can put whatever you want on the back of the shoe. We did get two colorways of this sneaker. So in my hand, I have the black and olive pair. And we also saw this maroon colorway drop, which actually is still available in some stores right now. The black one is sold out. And look at this box, man. Crazy looking box with this pattern on the top and the red Nike logo. You also have the Acronym logo done on the side, which seems to be done in this Chinese style lettering. But opening up the box, you find some pretty unusual things you don't normally see in a sneaker box. It comes with these yellow heel counters, which I think would look great on the shoe. You know, black and yellow, always a good combination. You also get an extra pair of screws in case you guys lose a few. You also get this dog tag which comes with the sneaker, which isn't just any other dog tag. You can actually use this, or you're supposed to use this as a screwdriver to actually remove the screws at the back heel counter and replace them with whatever you want. I will say I was trying to use the dog tag to unscrew this, and it doesn't work as well as it should. So I would honestly just ask you guys to use a screwdriver. It would be a lot easier. And getting into the sneakers themselves, so this black colorway, the upper of the shoe is done in this ballistic nylon material, which is actually quite different from the maroon pair. The maroon pair is done in a suede material. And you can see it has a bunch of little tears on the shoe, revealing a different color underneath. This sneaker has a white swoosh, which has been painted onto the nylon. And you also get that foam tongue, which you see on pretty much all Nike Blazers. This pair does come standard with the black laces, but you actually also get these olive laces which match perfectly with the midsole, and yeah, I think that would probably be a better option on the shoe. There's quite a lot of Acronym branding as well on the inner lining, the nice leather inner lining, and also the insole, and then you also see that logo at the back of the shoe. One thing I will say that I like about the sneaker is that it is very easy to slip on and off. You pretty much just have to tie it once and you can easily get your foot in and out. You have that little bit of support at the back too to help you with that. And I don't know if it's because of of the upper being made out of nylon instead of leather, but I personally find this sneaker to be a lot more comfortable than Blazers normally are. Now I think for most people, these shoes might just be a bit too much and they might find it difficult to wear, but I actually think that this sneaker is quite an easy sneaker to rock. Blazers are already some of the most versatile shoes out there, and this colorway is very wearable. Here I'm just rocking it, very simple fit. I got some black sweatpants on. These are from Nike. I got the Blazers on. I threw on this oversized bomber jacket too, done in this gunmetal color, which I recently got from Uniqlo. And even though I'm not wearing anything Acronym really in this outfit, it kind of has like an Acronym vibe to it. And the shoes are really that statement piece of the whole outfit. I'm actually liking these shoes a lot more in hand than I thought I would. For sizing purposes, I went true to size in these, and for me, they fit perfectly. A lot of people say that they go a half size down in Nike Blazers. For me, true to size seems to work just fine. Even though the shoe is quite narrow, I still think true to size would be fine because it is a pretty long shoe, and if you go a half size up, I feel like there would be way too much heel slippage, so I do suggest just going true to size. Looking at the resale prices right now, so specifically this black colorway does seem to have a bit of a resale price. They are sold out everywhere after all, but we're talking like pretty much 20 euros over the retail, so I would say this sneaker pretty much has no resale. And that's pretty cheap, especially when considering after watching this video, you've seen all of the different features of this shoe, and also the fact that you can customize the end of this pretty much endlessly. So if you think about what you're getting for your money compared to a lot of other sneakers out there, these are pretty good prices, and I do feel this shoe is quite undervalued right now. So it's absolutely great for all of you that want to cop this pair. Go ahead, cop them right now, because who knows how long the shoe will be at these prices. Overall, the Nike Acronym Blazer Low, are these a cop or a drop? While I don't think that these are a must cop by any means, I will say I was very surprised and very positively surprised by how good these shoes are in hand. This back heel counter might seem familiar to you guys. Yes, we have seen it before on the undercover Daybreaks. I didn't think it looked too loud on that sneaker, and even on this shoe, I don't find this heel counter to be too crazy. And when you consider all of the really cool things you can throw on the back there, I definitely think that this shoe is for sure worth the money. I need to find out from my friends which one of them have a 3D printer, because yeah, I would definitely love to customize these. But yeah guys, overall, especially for the price, these are a cop. Let me know down in the comments, as always, what do you guys think about the Acronym Blazer Lows? Are these a cop? Are these just too crazy for you to even consider? They're easily the craziest looking sneakers to drop this year, but I also think they're one of the most interesting. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. The on feet about to drop right now. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and for messing with my content, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.